If you're running on empty, if your energy crashes the moment you wake up, if work, school, or parenting feels heavier than ever, if you're forcing yourself through the day with no motivation left, you're not lazy and you're not weak. You are experiencing burnout, a real, measurable state of brain fatigue, motivation loss, and dopamine depletion that millions of adults face every day. And here's the painful truth. Burnout doesn't go away with a weekend off. Your brain needs a targeted recharge, not just more rest. Today, you're going to learn 3 neuroscience hacks that help adults 30 to 50, and really anyone, quickly recover motivation, energy, and clarity. Let's break down what's actually happening inside your brain.
Burnout is not just feeling tired. It's a neurological shutdown caused by chronic stress, overthinking, and emotional overload. When you live in constant tension, work deadlines, financial pressure, parenting strains, studying, caregiving, your brain shifts into survival mode. The ventral tegmental area, the region responsible for dopamine, motivation, and energy, starts slowing down. When the VTA dims, everything feels harder. Motivation disappears, focus becomes painful, emotional exhaustion grows, small tasks feel overwhelming. Your mind fogs, spirals, and overthinks. This is why burnout feels like your brain is stuck in mud. You can think, but everything takes twice the effort. And the longer the stress cycle continues, the more your VTA suppresses dopamine production, trapping you in fatigue and low motivation. But here's the good news. Your brain also has built-in systems for energy recovery, dopamine reset, and clarity restoration. You just need the right triggers.
The fastest way to recharge a burned-out brain is through small doses of novelty. Why? Novelty activates the VTA and restarts dopamine signaling, the fuel for motivation and focus. You don't need anything dramatic. Micro-novelty is enough. Try a new walking route. Change your workspace angle. Listen to unfamiliar music. Rearrange one small part of your environment. Do a 2-minute new activity. These simple shifts wake up your reward system and interrupt the repetitive stress loop. Your brain is not tired of work. Your brain is tired of predictability. Novelty equals motivation recovery.
Sound is one of the most powerful tools for burnout recovery. Certain frequencies calm your stress circuits while activating the areas tied to attention and clarity. The goal isn't music that hypes you up, it's sound that regulates your nervous system. Try low-frequency ambient sounds, soft rhythmic patterns, nature soundscapes, white or brown noise. These sounds reduce mental fatigue, quiet overthinking, and help your brain shift out of survival mode. Think of it as an auditory reset, a simple, science-backed way to lower cortisol and restore mental focus.
Burnout tricks you into isolation, but isolation makes burnout worse. Here's the neuroscience. When you interact with someone who feels safe, even for 60 seconds, your brain releases oxytocin, connection, dopamine, motivation, and serotonin, stability. This cocktail restores your energy, improves emotional balance, and supports adult wellness. Controlled connection doesn't mean small talk with strangers. It can be a quick check-in with someone you trust, a 2-minute voice note, a short moment of laughter, or a brief message to someone who makes you feel grounded. Humans heal through connection. Your brain recharges through other people.
Burnout is a cycle, and cycles can be rewired. Here's the simple formula. Calm the stress loop, restart dopamine, restore motivation, recover clarity. You do that through microdosing novelty, auditory resets,
small, safe social connections. Over time, these habits rebuild your emotional bandwidth, reduce fatigue, increase motivation, and return your brain to a healthy baseline. And yes, this works whether you're burned out from work, school, parenting, caregiving, life pressure, or chronic stress. Your brain is always capable of recovery.
If you're experiencing burnout, remember, you're not failing. Your brain is protecting you. And now you have the neuroscience tools to begin healing. If you found clarity in this video, the next video on your screen dives deeper into decision fatigue, how it drains your mental energy, and how to reverse it before it leads to burnout. Tap that video and continue your mental wellness journey. And if this helped you, subscribe to Safe Habits for more neuroscience hacks, energy recovery tools, and mental clarity strategies. Your brain deserves a recharge. Your life deserves motivation. And you're just getting started.